there guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. Thank you so much for checking my channel out. You guys, today we're having a Dollar Tree haul. Okay, before we get into the haul, you guys know that I like to pretty out for you a little bit and get myself together. Not today. We have been fighting a cold and flu between all of us. All four of us got it, and this is the second week. First my husband was sick, then James got it, then I got it, and finally Matthew also has ear infection. Poor baby, we took him twice to the emergency room. So it's been a crazy last couple of weeks. So today I don't even have the energy to go put makeup on or anything like that, but I do want to share with you what I got from the Dollar Tree. So let's get into it. The first item, I'm gonna start with my favorite item. Excuse me, you guys. So the first item that I got is this terrarium planter. And I got only 4, and I don't know why, but look how big these are. You guys, look how big these planters are. I won on Wish limited quantity deal. Oh my God, I won I think like 36 or 48 of them, but they were significantly smaller and they were glass. These are some sort of like hard plastic, like really hard, but they're much bigger. And I know that mom uses them and she puts little, what do you call those plants? I don't remember, but I sent her a box that I won, from Wish limited quantity deal. So mom, if you're watching, when you come to visit me next week, I got 4 of these big ones for you. Actually, I'm gonna go and look for more because these are so amazing, aren't they, you guys? Can you see how big they are? So I got 4 of this. I probably should have gotten more, but we'll see. If I find more, I'll go get more. Look at this, you guys. Ay. Next, I got the Shower Fizzies Aromatherapy, and they look like this. Let's go ahead and open and see how they look inside. And these are, you guys that are obsessed with those bath bombs, and if you watch my previous haul, I bought a lot of them from the Dollar Tree, and I put them in that, if you remember, if you watch my haul, those little nice big jars with lids that Dollar Tree has now. God, they're so amazing. Anyways, these are Shower Fizzies, and these are for the shower. They look like this. I don't know how they work yet because I never tried them. And these are eucalyptus and spearmint. I'm very excited to try this in the shower. There you go. Then I got this for my DIYs, this cutting mat for $1 right here. I also got socks for Matthew, and I know Matthew's a boy, but it takes a real man to wear pink. I didn't find for boys, so I got them for girls, but who cares, because in the house, nobody sees him. But these are so cute. Yes, I did buy them for my son. But anyways, for those of you that have been following me for a while, you guys know that I cannot stand being barefooted, me. So I always chase everyone around the house and put socks on them. I usually buy those footed onesies for Matthew, but if they're not footed, then I always make sure to put socks on him. So I have a lot of socks. I mean, a lot of socks. The next thing I got, this is for James's study room. It says, "Hello, the world is calling." Let me open this up and show you how it looks. You guys, if I look funny and lethargic, it's because we are taking medicine and I am really under the weather. Okay, so this is how it looks. And I'm gonna put it next to his computer when he does his virtual learning. I think this is really cute for $1. There you go. I need some water. This is gonna be a long video to edit because I'm literally coughing every 2 minutes. The next thing I got is this makeup brush cleaning kit right here. And this looks, let's go ahead and open it up quickly. Okay, yes. So you see this, I'm holding this basket that I bought from the Dollar Tree, and it wasn't pink. I actually spray painted pink. Shocker. The next item I found is this, I guess, jar right here. I thought it's really cute. And I am planning to go get more so I can use it for spices. I think this is amazing for like dried dill or dried parsley or marjoram, whatever. This, you know, it's so easy to, yeah. I love this a lot. So these are cute. And they're just $1. The next item that I got is this, I don't know how to, is it Worcestershire sauce? You guys, I don't know how to say it, but I got this for $1. I've been using it in cooking, but I never know how to say it. Anyways, then I also got this bread pan. So I am trying to be on strict keto. It doesn't always work, God, but I am trying. So a lot of recipes calls for this little pans and, you know, do like this, you know, low carb breads or whatever. So I bought this for $1 from the Dollar Tree. It will work. I have a couple more home. Then you guys, I found this seasoning by Longhorn Steakhouse. This is grilled seasoning right here. And you guys know that these are not Dollar Tree products. So this sell for, I think, like $3 or $4 at the grocery store. They're much more expensive if you bought it in a grocery store. So I bought a couple of this. Then I also bought a couple of sriracha salt, which are also not Dollar Tree product and also are much more expensive if you were to buy them in grocery stores. The next item I bought is this headband right here. And I also bought the scrunchie with it. Let me take this out. I also bought the scrunchie with it, but I don't know what it is. Maybe it fell in the car or I just can't find it here. But, oh, this is cute, right? Let's just leave it on. So it's blue and I think it's really cute, right? All right, the next items that I bought, oh, I guess I bought 2 of this. I just found another one. I thought I only bought 1, but I bought 2. That's pretty awesome. So one is gonna be for my dill and one is gonna be for my dried parsley. Okay, this I was looking for because I saw somebody else hold them. This product is by Bolero and these are their new shampoo and conditioner. The first one I got is this hibiscus and papaya and almond milk right here. And then we have the rosewater and jojoba, if that's how you say it, right here. And you know what, you guys? I did open them all because home, so I can smell them. You know, it smells really good. It smells like rose. Yep. So, you know, guys, I also got the strawberry one in the conditioner, but it's already in my shower and I've already used it. So I'll be very honest, it did not work well for me. Although they do smell very good and Bolero products are really known to be good. And, you know, everybody that holds them, they are so excited, you know, to get the Bolero products from the Dollar Tree, like the masks or they have facial masks. They have all sort of like shower gels and everything that I've tried, I loved. But for some reason, the shampoo and conditioner made my hair really oily. So I don't know if you watched my previous Dollar Tree haul when I'm wearing this yellow hoodie. I've just taken a shower before, so my hair was clean and I used this product. So I put my hair in the back. I did not use any gel or anything in my hair other than, you know, just wash it in the shower and use the conditioner. But if you take a look at that video, my hair looks as if like it wasn't washed for a week because I remember editing and I kept moving my head to show you products and it was so shiny. And I remember when I took my scrunchie off, it was so like sleek and shiny. I was like, how is this possible? I just washed it. I mean, my hair naturally is oily, so I do have to wash it like every other day. But I can't wash it every day either because my hair is falling, especially after like, you know, my pregnancy with James, it falls a lot. So anyways, yeah, it didn't work for me. It just made my hair super, super oily. Like usually when I wash it the first day, it's so nice and fluffy and puffy and whatever. You know, then by the next day or the third day, you know, it just needs to be washed again. But this made it oily like immediately. It was crazy. But, you know, maybe it was the strawberry one that didn't work for me. I am willing to try these ones as well. The third one is the strawberry and bamboo conditioner. So that's what I used. I used the strawberry and bamboo shampoo and I bought 2 of these conditioners. And like I said, my hair came out really oily. clean, but like oily looking, if that makes sense. I don't know how to explain. I never had that happen before. Okay, then I needed myself more scissors because apparently I don't have enough. I know I have like 20 pairs in the house and somehow we never can find them. So I got more scissors for us. Then, oh my God, you guys, I hold these towels before, and the ones that I bought was, on one of them it was a rolling pin and it said roll with it. And on another one, I think it was like a fork or something, and it says reckon to fork with or something like that. But I found more. This flour sack towels. This is Love Cooking right here. That is cute. So I bought 2 of this, and the second one that I found is Cook, Eat, and Be Happy. And I do love all this, you know, the messages behind them. They're really cute. And the next item I found is this makeup vanishing towel. So I bought this before and I hold it, but I bought it from the 99-cent store only. And I love it so much. It absorbs water so well. And it takes the makeup off so well. And I found it at the Dollar Tree. So I bought 2 more. And it looks like this. And it's so absorbent, you guys. It is so good to take makeup off. And it's like, it lathers so well, and it's just amazing. So this is this one right here. So I got 2 of them. Then I got this microfiber cleaning towels. You guys, Dollar Tree carries this, and I carried them as long as I remember. And I bought so many times. And it comes in a pack of 2 right here. And you have no idea how absorbent these are as well. This absorbs the water really well. I use it, you know, they were in a section where the automotive section, you know, these are good to like wash the cars and whatnot. I use them in my kitchen, you know, to like clean the counters and whatnot. So, and I have a lot of them, but I bought 2 more right here. Ooh, then I found this facial cleansing balm. As you can see, this Dollar Tree is very scattered around. You know, I go from the kitchen to beauty to kitchen again to beauty again. I'm sorry, I didn't even get a chance to like, you know, properly put them in, but I guess it's all good. So this is a facial cleansing balm right here. Oh, I took it out already, so I didn't even show it to you guys, but it does look like this. So I took it out. And this is honey and chamomile extract. Right here, and it's also by Bolero. It is sealed, thank God, because you guys know how many times I come home with them and they're unsealed over there and then dry. But I learned to check now. Well, I couldn't check this one because it was sealed here, so, well, obviously it was sealed there, it was sealed here. Oh man, wow, that smells so good. Wow, you guys, it smells so good. And this is gel-like. If you can see the consistency and the texture, it's like gel. You know, gel that you use for hair. Wow, this smells so good. I don't know how good it is, you know, for your face. I haven't tried it, obviously, but it smells divine. Wow. Then, you guys, I got this foam brushes. And look how many they come. 8 pieces for just $1. This is for some DIY I wanted to do for the house. And then, ooh, so like I said, this Dollar Tree is scattered, you guys. I got another by Red Lobster seasoning. It's seafood seasoning. Look here. And you know that this is, you know, at least like $3-4 at the store. Do you guys see it? Oh, there you go. Nah. There you go. Nah. Okay, so this I found at the Dollar Tree for $1, and I bought a few of this because I was like, oh wow. So yeah, another by Longhorn grill seasoning. So these are really good items that, you know, Dollar Tree has them for $1 that are obviously more expensive if you were to buy them at the grocery store. Then James wanted 2 of this for him and his friend. James, every time James comes with me, he gets things for his friends, and I think it's so cute. These are little seashells in a little glass, and this boy likes to to collect rocks, seashells when we go to the beach. He goes outside and, he tries to catch butterfly or bugs and learn about them. He is so cute. But these are cute. I got more sponge brush set for $1. These are 6 pieces right here. Then I guess we're going back to cosmetics. But before we do that, that's a Crafter Square jewel border sticker. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I like them so much and I got them, and I have a feeling that I will find a place for this as well. They're so cute, and they're so shiny, not shiny, sparkly. Okay, so the last few things, guys, and we're done. I got this body wash, and I get this from obviously it's not a Dollar Tree product. It's by Arm & Hammer, and it's really, really good. And every time they bring it in, I buy a few of this. So I bought a couple of this time. Essentials, this is body wash. Once again, by Arm & Hammer. Right here. So I got 2 this time because they do go fast. And then, you guys, I bought this by John Frieda. Again, not a Dollar Tree product. This is a brand name by John Frieda. I got a couple of this Wonder Drops hair masks. I can't wait to try this. That feels so squishy and so cool. And the last 2 things I got is by L'Oreal. Again, brand names. Everpure sulfate-free deep moisture hydration profound hair sheet mask. I never tried a hair sheet mask. Steam treatment. I feel like it's a 5-minute hair spa. I feel like in the shower, if you put the hot shower on, and let it run while you're in there, and just, use this mask for 5 minutes, this is going to be pretty cool. I am so excited. Do you guys see it? I'm so excited to try this. So I bought 2 of this, and I cannot wait to try them. Anyway, so guys, this is the end of my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys like it. If you did, give me the thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me, you guys. I love you so much, and I am gone.